Oh, bakit may pera na naman dito? Pinamigay ko na ibang pera kahapon Kakainis naman. Ma'am, may delivery po kayo. Oh, ano to? Pera na naman? Skoyo ko neto. Sige na lang kuya. Ayoko din po yan ma'am. Sa iba niyo na lang po ibigay. Sige na po. Ano ba yan? Ang dami ko ng pera eh. Nay, bakit 300,000 na naman yung binigay yung baon sa akin? Hindi ko pa nga nagagastos yung baon ko last week eh. Bigyan na ako ng bagong iPhone at iPad. Bawasan yung baon ko Nakakainis ka. Huwag ka na magreklamo. Ang dami na nga natin pera eh. O eto pa. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko gagastusin to eh. Ay naku, padala kasi ng padala ng pera eh. Tapos ko na lang to.
Congrats ma'am! Kayo po ang grand winner ng 5 million pesos!
Ano ba yan? Pera na naman. Pwede ba hindi ko tanggapin yan? Bakit ko ng pera eh?
Ay, bawal na po namin kunin to ma'am. Kayo na po to. Congrats po ulit!
Ba't pa ako nagising? Sana ganun na lang yung problema ko. Okay, class. Mag-sitting arrangement tayo, okay? Scarlett, tumabi ka kay Cheska. Sige po, ma'am.
around the Christmas tree at the Christmas.
You guys, am I the only one that didn't know that Michaels had Ohuhu markers? My Michaels was pretty picked over, but they have single markers for $3 a piece if you need some refills. They also have packs of 6 for $15. Hey guys, I'm so excited. The 3-tier rolling cart that I love is finally back in stock. I truly love this cart because I do live in a small space and I don't really have a lot of storage. This 3-tier cart has so much room and it's on wheels and it moves super well around the house. Plus, it's currently on sale, so pick one up before they're gone. again.
Okay.
Let's jump back into coloring this berry coloring.
Dame un
This is part 22.
Okay.
Honestly, I don't
Okay.
like seriously,
Okay.
like a half an hour. I finally decided on
Okay.
a color. Sometimes
Hoy, ikaw babae ka! Puro ka dami ang guro dyan Anay, ang dami mong hugasin dyan Maghuhugas na po ako ng plato. Puro TikTok to. Maghugas ka lang dyan
So sad. But after I do this, guys, I'm going
Okay.
back to the same colors as my usual shadows.
Okay. Okay.
Next, I picked up
Okay.
a darker green.
Ayan,
Back
aminin
in
mo,
on
mas
those
maganda pa ako
shadows
sa'yo.
a little bit.
Ay,
And
wow.
I'll also be using it for
Okay,
all the
class.
flowers, stems, and leaves.
Oh,
I really
Jessica,
wanted to make yellow
buti
a big
pumasok
focus
ka
on
pa.
this page
Ang
because
dami
it's
mo
just
na
so
miss na
bright and
quiz.
pretty. So
Bagsak
I'm
ka na
using these
sa
two
akin.
yellow
Nagbakasyon
colors and
ako.
I'm going to be
Na-stress
coloring
kasi
in
ako
every
sa'yo.
single flower
Ang
that's
dami
on
mo
this
kasi
page. The reason
pinapagawa.
why I
Aba
had such a
bakit?
hard time
Hindi
picking
lang
colors
naman
for
ikaw
this page
pinapagawan
was because
ko.
I wasn't
Lahat
sure what would
kayo.
go best with
Ano ka nito,
vanilla. But I
prinsesa?
feel like this pink
Oo.
color looks perfect
Sa
next to
bahay
it. I
namin,
also thought this
ako
purple
ang
shade would look
prinsesa.
nice, so I'm using this
Kaya
for the
kayong
pillows and
lahat,
this little heart
sumunod
detail.
kayo sa akin.
Next, I picked up
Pumunta ka
this
sa
pretty
guidance
light brown
office.
color for the
Hindi
hat
po,
and also for the
ate.
stencil. And I also
You
decided
go
to
to the
tie in that
principal's
same brown
office.
color for all of the
Tandaan mo,
donuts, as
kami
well
ang
as a couple
nagpapasahod
of
sa'yo,
these
di
loaves
ba?
of bread. I felt like I needed a darker color in this
Hala
page,
si
so I
ma'am.
picked out
Ang
this really
ganda-ganda
deep
ko na
purple
naghanap
color.
ka pa
And
ng
here I
iba.
actually went back to that lighter purple I used for the
heartbroken
pillows,
ata
and
si
I'm just drawing this
Jessica.
simple
This,
gingham
sir,
pattern on
feeling
the
main
top. And then I'll be
character
using a
kasi.
darker purple to color in all the
Tumatawa
squares
ka?
where the lines overlap.
Masaya
I'm
kayo,
just using
ha?
one of my
Kapag
favorite pinks that
heartbroken
color
ako,
this pig. And
bawal
I'm keeping the
magmasaya.
dog white, but I
Alam
picked out
naman,
this light gray for
heartbroken
the
ka.
shadows. And you
Okay
guys should know
namin.
by
Oh,
now that
come
I love
on,
adding a spotted
Samantha.
pattern to the dogs.
Hindi
I
mo
just
pa
think
naman
it's so
na-experience sa
cute. Next, you
magka-jowa.
work on the sky, and
Kasi
I'm
walang
using these two
nakakagusto
blues.
sa
I'm
bukang
taking the
yan.
first lightest blue at the bottom of the sky, and then I'll be using
Hi,
a darker
ako pala
blue
si
at the top
Scarlett.
and just
Bago
blending
lang
those
ako
two
dito.
together. I thought this page was
Oh,
done, but I felt like I
Pakiko,
needed to just
tsaka
add a
tanggal
little
mo
bit
yung
more
makeup
detail,
mo.
so I took
Dapat
out
ako lang
my
yung maganda
Open
dito
Blue
sa
acrylic
school.
markers, and I'm grabbing
Sino
a
ka ba
couple
para
of green
utusan
shades
ako?
out here. You want to make
Feeling
sure
main
you shape these markers
character.
up really
Kadiri,
good, and I'll be
anong
using
sabi
these
mo?
to add
Mag-sorry ka
some
sa
basic
akin.
grass to this
Sorry.
area. Whenever I do
Not
this technique,
sorry.
I always make sure
Tsaka
I put the
mukhang
blades
mas
of
kapag
grass
may
over the
ibubuga
objects
ka
that
na.
are sitting there to make it look like
Nakahanap
they're
din ng
actually
katapat si
sitting in the
Cheska.
grass. Here I'm using a yellow marker and a dotting
Ako
motion
ang
to
main
make it look like
character
there are
dito
flowers
sa
in the
school.
grass. And for the final step, I'm taking my
Manda
white
ka sa
grabbing acrylic
akin.
marker and going through
Anak!
the page, just
Itigil mo
following
muna ang
along.
ginagawa mo!
And here's
Oh,
the
bakit
finished
po, Nay?
page. This was
Kasi
totally on
may
accident,
challenge
but
ako
I feel like
sa'yo.
the colors in this
Kapag
page are
nanalo
reminding me
ka,
of all
may
the
prize ka na
symbols, which is
agad!
actually
At
my favorite
pwede ka
thing
nang
to
gumala
do.
at
So I
pwede ka
love
nang
that, but
magka-jowa!
thank you so much for watching.
Game
I'm
ako
gonna
dyan,
follow along
Nay!
so you can finish this.
Okay, eto ang challenge mo. Kailangan mo lang i-battle flip to. Madali lang, di ba? Ay, yan lang. Basic. Go! Bakit ayaw? Hala, hirap naman neto. Akala ko madali lang manalo. Hindi naman talaga mahirap manalo, anak. Lalo na kung sasali ka sa weekly Lucky Draw promo ng Magu-Magu. Sumali na for a chance to win exciting prizes. Up for grabs every week is an iPhone 16 Pro Max 256 gigabytes, along with other rotating prizes such as Samsung TVs, iPads, GCash, and more. All you have to do is scan the QR code on your Mogu bottle and enter the 10-digit code found under the cap to earn points and join the draw. Kaya the more you collect, the better your chances of winning. Ang dali lang pala, Nay. Favorite ko pa naman tong Mogu. For sure, marami akong makokolekt. Tama ka, anak. All registered users can join. And you can use your points to submit submit entries for the weekly lucky draw. Imagine, umiinom ka lang ng mogu-mogu, tapos may chance ka pang manalo ng big prizes. Naku na, excited na ako manalo.
Same green marker. I'm going back into these bushes
Masarap na talaga, anak. Tapos ang chewy panay. Tara, selfie tayo. Tara, tara.
I went back in with a darker green marker to color the hill.
Ayan, ang ganda ko dyan, Nay. Remember, life is too short, but it's not too late to join the fun and chew to win with Mogu Mogu. For more details, just visit www.mogumogu.com. Okay, class, the nomination for Muse is now open. Ma'am, I nominate myself. Subukan niyo mag-nominate ng iba. Pa-main character talaga siya, oh. Ma'am, I nominate Scarlett. Hala, maglalaban sila. Ang dalawang magkariban. Ay, nako, for sure mananalo ako. Let's fight fair and square. Okay, we have two candidates. Unang tanong, anong meron sa inyo na wala sa kalaban nyo? Ang bagay na meron ako at wala siya ay yung mga mansyon namin. Mamahalin namin na sasakyan, mga luxury bags. For sure wala siya nun. Ang bagay na meron ako at wala siya ay ang mga taong nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa akin. My family, my friends. Walang kwenta ang yaman kung walang nagmamahal sa'yo. Oh, for my final question, bakit ikaw ang deserving maging muse? Obvious naman, di ba? Maganda ako, sexy ako. Ano pa bang hahanapin niyo sa akin? I believe that being a muse is being a good role model. I am confidently beautiful to show the classroom, the school rather, that I have what it takes to be a good role model. And I thank you. We love you, Scarlett! Itaas ang kamay kung boto kay Cheska. Okay? Itaas ang kamay kung boto kay Scarlett. Okay, Cheska! Panalo ako! Pwede ka nang bumalik sa upuan mo. Meron na tayong bagong muse, si Scarlett! Dessert! Hello? May ipapatumba ako sa'yo. Mga anak, magbihis na kayo. May pupuntahan tayo. Aalis tayo? It's a mix and match.
So I've been
Bakit
asked
mga
a few
yun?
times what a
Mga
protest
anak,
is.
tara na!
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Jollibee, mix and match. Sulit sarap saya sa Jollibee mix and match combo.
Ay, grabe sila oh. Mag-fashion show ba kayo? Trip kasi namin mag-mix and match ng damit, Nay. Very creative, di ba? Saan pa kasi tayo pupunta, Nay? Saan pa ba? Eh di sa Jollibee. Akala nyo kayo lang mahilig mag-mix and match, no? Pati din sa Jollibee. Starts at 78 pesos. You can mix and match 42 delicious combos. And available to in all stores nationwide. Bongga! I love exploring different pairings. Kaya naman I love Jollibee Mix and Match. Favorite combo ko dyan yung Jollibee Spaghetti tsaka Jollibee Crispy Fries. Perfect mix of sweet and salty. You can't go wrong with any combo dahil para sa akin, lahat sulit, sarap at saya. Kaya tara na, mag-mix and match sa Jollibee!
You're listening to Jollibee Mix and Match Combos. Kalye at classical, we can mix to match your taste.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Jollibee, mix and match. Sulit sarap saya sa Jollibee mix and match combo.
Okay, class, mag-discuss ako. Makinig kayo sa akin, ha? Grabe, ganda ko talaga. Masaya na naman siya. Hindi ako sa akin. Ma'am, di ba bawal ng makeup kapag oras ng klase? Scarlett kasi nag-makeup po. Lu, pero pag ikaw pwede? Ay, oo. Mamaya na yung makeup na yung Scarlett, ha? Makinig ka sa akin. Aww, di na siya makakapag-retouch. Okay, class. Dalawa ang naka-perfect sa exam natin. Si Cheska. Expect ko naman na perfect ako eh. At si Scarlett. Perfect din ako. Talagang nilalabanan ako ng babae ito. Patingin na tas paper. Ma'am, the background spelling is wrong. Mali yung mole niyo. Walang pink sa unan. Ay, oo nga. Kulang na may hindi ka na perfect, Scarlett, ha? Ayan, ako na ulit ang halos dito sa klase. Hindi pala ito kasi sa mga gusto ng buhay ko. Ano na may jowa ko? Sino ba yun? Scarlett? Hi, sa Carmine. Libre kita. Hindi pwede. Hindi tayo may jowa ko. Ah?
part 6 of me coloring the Berry Coloring
Scarlett?
Book Volume 4 in order.
Mainis ka lang. Dapat lang sa'yo. Lahat na lang kinukuha sa akin ni Samantha. Ibubunyag ko na yung sekreto ng pamilya niyo.
At di ko masabi na ako'y isang
I'm going to use this to color in
Darna!
Then I'm taking this magenta rose color
Ang
to color in the ribbon.
iniingat-ingatan
Also
ko
off camera, I added some shadows.
Ang
So using
ugat-lawit
magenta
at
rose and adding some flowers and nails. Now originally I was going to use it on white, so I was using this gray to add some shadows, but then I decided it was too dark and I didn't like it. So instead I decided to go back in and just color the whole thing.
Mga anak, nandito na ako.
Babe,
Miss na kita. Ano ba yan? Hindi kayo marunong maglaro ng rollback? Aba, wala silang pake oh. Parang wala umuwi. Tapos wala pang nalilinis dito sa bahay. Babe, date mo naman ako. Mag-aamongis na nga lang ako. Tignan ko na lang kung di niyo ako papansin.
Next, I'm going to start on the pillows. I'm
Nandiyan na si nanay!
use 4 to color in the outside, and also using it to color in this bow.
Yung favorite chicken ko!
I'm
O
gonna
ano,
color the
nagutom kayo no? Grabe, ang laki ng part na nakuha
Now,
ko.
this is the part
Solid!
I started with. I decided to take these two colors, and I wanted to do a plaid pattern.
Paano hindi magugutom na? Ang sarap nito. Ito pa rin yung best tasting chicken para sa akin. Walang katulad to, Nay. Ay, namiss ko to yung sama-sama tayong kumakain. Gaya nung bata pa kayo. Simulat sa pool, Chicken Joy na talaga ang go-to natin. Malalaki ang servings at para sa akin, ito pa rin ang pinakamasarap sa buong Pilipinas. Nabusog ako, Nay. The best ka talaga. Babe, sa Jollibee tayo mag-date bukas, ha? O kayo, comment kayo kung bakit Chicken Joy pa rin ang go-to fried chicken nyo.
I was having trouble deciding on what to color the